So today I'm going to be making a video showing you my kit and what you can expect me to pull up with whenever I go to your house for a makeup session. The first thing I typically bring is my duffel bag. And in here I essentially have all my recording equipment as well as like sanitary products. So I have like towels, and in here I have alcohol wipes, makeup wipes, baby wipes, cotton rounds, cotton swabs, and then a little mini trash can. And all of these I pretty much use throughout the whole makeup application. Then I also like to keep in here all of my filming equipment, which obviously you can't see here because I'm using it now, but it would be 2 studio lights, obviously with their tripods, and then the tripod I use for recording. So yeah, that's what's in my duffel. The next item that you will probably see me hauling is actually this director's chair, and I specifically got it with a headrest because I want to keep my customers in mind and your comfort. So it's one of those things where obviously if it's a low chair, you have your head up the whole time and it's like just literally a pain in the neck. And I wanted to make it as comfortable as possible. So I got this director's chair. I'll stand up so you can see it. This is what it looks like. And I also got it with my big baddies of mine. It could hold up to 300 pounds. So yeah, don't worry about, oh, is the chair gonna be able to hold me up? Yes. Not for free, but yeah, this is the footrest. But yeah, that's my chair. What I also like about this chair is actually the takedown process is super easy. So literally just lift this part up on each side, toss that, and then you want to take this part off. And I would say be careful and be gentle because they do fall pretty quickly to the floor. And then you just have to undo the latches here, bring up the footrest, fold it, and you're done. And it's pretty lightweight, which is what I really like about this. So would definitely recommend. Next and final product I'm going to be showing you guys is actually this nail desk. And what I really like about it is that it's pretty much a trunk, has a lot of space, but it also comes in with a built-in table. And I'm going to show you in real time how quick and easy it is to assemble this table. Now on the sides it has latches, so that way, and you can actually put a code in, like a passcode in there, so it's great for travel because that way nobody could get into your kit. So you unlatch those two right there, and then you just pull the table off, and then you open it, and then there's 2 sets of hooks. There's the first set of hooks, it was on to begin with, and now we're gonna go into the second part on the bottom. And then down here you press in the buttons on the side and it will lock that table in. Another thing that I really like about this table as well is that you can also lock in the wheels, so that way it's not moving around. And yes, it does come with wheels. As you can see, it moves back and forth, you know, all around. And they're actually removable, so you can remove the wheels if you want to. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you in closer. These 2 sides, you have a mirror. Look, as you can see, I have a bunch of things up here. I have different color correctors, I have foundation sticks, concealers, pigments, even the little trash cans for the little trash bag. And this is also where I hold my brushes. This is actually a jewelry box, and I have it divided by essentially brush type. There is a lot of space up here, and it comes with this as well, and it's removable, but it's pretty deep, as you can see. And what I really like about this is the fact that it brings 3 light modes, and it's Bluetooth capable. These 2 right here are speakers. All you got to do is hit that. Now what I like about this trunk is that on the side we have 3 separate drawers. So the first drawer I use mainly for my lashes, and here I keep all my face products. And finally we have, well, not finally, actually this is the final drawer. Yes, this is where I keep my eyeshadow and like little miscellaneous things. And what I really like is that you can remove it, and at the bottom there's a lot of storage. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you found some products that you can enjoy, and maybe potentially have yourself if you're a makeup artist. And if you're somebody that's interested in getting a service, you can contact me via email, via my number, or you could book directly through Squarespace. I'll leave all that information and where you can find it below. But yeah, thank you for joining me today.